Have you ever wondered why some people's lives seem to be easy and in flow, while others seem to not even really know where to go? My name's Cheryl Chapman. I'm an international award-winning speaker and speaker mentor, and I'm a life purpose mentor, helping people for the last decade, entrepreneurs, employees and employers, to find their why. So what do I mean by the why? Well, I mean, I've been helping people to find their life of purpose so that they can have a happy, fulfilled life. And I am super excited to have been invited by Steve Gaston to speak at the renowned Masterclass series on Wednesday, the 2nd of February, 1 till 3. Now, at this class, you're going to learn the three things that you need, just three things that you need in order to be able to find your why. So what is a why? Well, a why is your big purpose, the reason why you're on this planet. I mean, why you're even here as a human. But it's also, why are you where you are right now? What do you do that is absolutely freaking awesome that you can do more of? And what might need a little bit of attention? Because here's the thing, a lot of people say to me, oh, my why is my kids. Well, let me tell you why I'm going to share with you that is not necessarily strictly true. Yes, your kids are your responsibility, but honestly, the why, it's an inside job. It's really all about you, because I believe that your why is to be happy, fulfilled and live a joyful life on this planet. So I'm looking forward to being there on Wednesday, the 2nd of February, 1 till 3, to share with you these 3 steps so that you can have a life truly on purpose, fulfilled, and have that happiness too. Thank you so much, Steve. Looking forward to seeing you and everybody else at the Masterclass series, Wednesday the 2nd, 1 till 3. Take care. Bye-bye.